Hello, friends! Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to build apps like Instagram, Twitter, or Tinder? Many people assume it's as simple as hiring a developer, paying some money, and getting an app within 2 weeks. But the reality is much more complex. From design and coding to testing and launching, each stage involves significant investment. Today, let's uncover the true story and actual costs behind mobile app development, revealing what it takes to turn an idea into a successful app. The myth versus reality. Many people think that the entire TikTok can be made for Rs 20, 30,000 or $300. But the truth is that app development is like building a house. Do you want to build a small house or a big one? Do you want a simple design or a luxury interior? Do you want just 2 rooms or 5 bedrooms? Similarly, the app's features, platform, and technology determine how much the cost will be. Types of app development. 1. Native apps built separately for Android and iOS. The smoothest, the fastest, but double the time, double the cost. 2. Cross-platform apps. With technologies like React Native, Flutter, the same code runs on both platforms, saves both cost and time. 3. Hybrid apps. Based on web technologies, HTML, CSS, JS. Built quickly, but performance is limited. Cost breakdown. Basic app, login, profile, basic UI. Time, 2 to 3 months. Cost, Rs 6 to 8 lakhs, or $9,600. Medium app, social login, payment, camera, chat. Time, 5 to 6 months. Cost, Rs 15 to 20 lakhs, or $24,000. Complex app, streaming, geolocation, analytics, push notifications. Time, 8-10 months. Cost, Rs 25 to 35 lakhs plus, or $42,000. Hidden truth of development. Friends, an app is not made just by code. Behind it, there is a whole team. Designers, who decide the app's UX vs UI. Developers, who write the actual code. Testers, who catch every bug. Project manager, who manages the entire team together. Along with this, you also have to add the publishing fees for the Play Store and App Store, server costs, and regular maintenance. Warning and advice. If you only have money and no technical knowledge, then be careful. Many freelancers just convert a website into an app. Such apps are neither scalable nor capable of driving business growth. Always check the company's portfolio. Test the apps they have developed yourself, and only then make an investment decision. Conclusion. So now you must have understood that creating a mobile app is not a 15-day magic trick. It is a long, professional, and team-driven process. If you have a unique app idea and want to turn it into reality, then Globalmedianext Technologies is always ready to help you. With thousands of happy clients, over 10 years of experience, and a team of more than 80 skilled professionals, Globalmedianext Technologies maintains a 99% client satisfaction rate. We're not just a service provider, we are your digital growth partner. Let's create something extraordinary together. Contact us today at +911 9971 C01544 or email us at business@globalmedianext.com. Globalmedianext Technologies, where innovation meets results. Tell us in the comments what kind of app you would like to create. And yes, if you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Good night, and see you in the next video. Thank you.